Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay my loves, so you guys are ready for another video? I hope so, because I'm ready to give it to you. So we did our last video, we created these really beautiful tags, and I just absolutely adore how these tags came out. I did a step-by-step tutorial showing you guys how to create this tag. If you haven't seen the video, I will link it at the bottom of this video. And I did tell you that on our next video, we're going to create a nice Mother's Day affordable gift, and we're going to incorporate these beautiful tags. So what we're going to create is going to be this beautiful, gorgeous Mother's Day gift that I have here in front of you. Now, I love how this tag turned out. I love how it looks so pretty against this simple and very affordable fancy bar of soap. Now, the Dollar Tree have these soaps, or this company, and they have like different kinds of things. They have the soaps, they have the creams, they have the bath bombs. Here, I'll show you. This is the bath bomb. They have the fizzy ones. They have the wipies. They got cream. I mean, they have so many things. And this brand is actually very expensive. This brand is actually a very high known brand. So I'm surprised that the Dollar Tree has this. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's good for us that we are able to find it. So what I did was I got a few of these bar soaps. They smell amazing. Oh my gosh. This coconut oil and sea salt smells amazing. But they do have other kinds of scents. So I love how the floral on this bar soap box is, and I just love this, so I went with it. So here I have the finished look to what I'm going to show you how to create. This will be a fantastic Mother's Day gift for someone. It didn't really cost too much money, but I think that the presentation and the way that it looks really means a lot. And I think that somebody is going to be very happy to receive something like this, knowing that you put a lot of work into it. Yes, it's a 99-cent item, but that is not really, I think, the main idea behind it. I think it just looks really pretty, very presentable. And I think that if you have, like, let's say you have a lot of mothers that you want to gift presents to, you know, you don't have the money, you don't have, you know, the means of giving presents to every single mom that you know, this is a really good idea and a really affordable idea to do. So let me show you how I put this together. I mean, I have literally, I think it's like maybe 2 or 3 items that I use, nothing else. So what I did was, now you can, if you want to gift wrap this box and then add the tag, you can do that. I kind of didn't want to gift wrap it because I love this design on the soap bar box, and I think it's beautiful and it goes definitely with the theme. So I didn't want to cover anything up, but if you want to, you could absolutely you know, gift wrap this box. So what I did was I used a little piece of ribbon or lace. In this case I'm using lace, and what I did is I wrapped a little, and now I want it to be kind of wide enough, not too wide, but wide enough that you can see it. Obviously I'm gonna wrap this little piece of lace around my bar, just like that. Now I'm doing it on the upper side of my bar. I don't want to do the middle because I'm going to hang my tag, but I want my tag to hang high enough. So I'm going to put this kind of like almost in the top of, like right around this area of the bar soap box, okay? And what I'm going to do is measure it so that it goes around, and then use hot glue to glue down the lace, is what I did. I didn't use too much because you don't want to obviously make this so messy. I just used like a little dab of hot glue, just like that, little dab. And then before you glue the other end, make sure it's how you want it to look. And then, hold on 1 second. And then you're going to hot glue the other end. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we're going to hot glue the other end. There you go. And that's basically what you're going to do as far as the lace part. You should get something like this. See that? What you're going to do next is you're going to get some of this. I got this, you could get this at the dollar store. A dollar store also sells this kind of like Rafa kind of material ribbon. It's like a craft ribbon. And what you're going to do is you're going to wrap this around your box a few times. I'm going to wrap it around where the lace is, right in the center of the lace. Just a few times. You don't have to wrap it around so many times. I think once or twice is fine. And then once you have it wrapped around, you're going to make a nice little tie or a nice little bow or whatever. A knot, however you want to finish it. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then you're going to trim this off. Okay? And then you're going to get something like this. See that? Don't worry about this. We're going to trim this off later. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to get our tag that we created. And remember that I told you in my first video that you're going to leave a space over here. This space that we leave here is the space that we're going to use to attach it to the front of our box. Now what I did is I used one of these Tim Hortons little garment pins. I love these pins, but you can really use anything. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. I love using these because they're just so retro looking to me, and I think they look so fancy. And what I did was I wrapped this around here, and then I went back around very carefully, and I wrapped it around the Rafa or the craft ribbon. And there you have it, okay? And that's how you hang your little tag to your little box. That is why it's so important to leave that little space open so that we can do that. And then what you're gonna do is, this is optional, you don't have to if you don't want to. Go back and take a little piece of ribbon or lace. And then you're going to actually secure your little lace or your tag. You're going to just go around your tag and you're going to make a little knot. Okay? Just like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to take one end of your lace and you're going to put it right through the Rafa or the craft ribbon that you just did earlier. Okay, just like that. See that? And you're going to create a nice little bow right here. That gives it double security that your tag doesn't fall. And it looks cute with the bow. Or you can just leave it the way it is. You don't have to do a bow. I'm going to double knot this, making sure that it doesn't fall. And I'll probably just leave it like that. Maybe I'll just cut a little bit, because I think it's too long. See? Just like that. And that is how you create your cute little box with a beautiful tag in front of it. So beautiful. You'll have this little part over here that's hanging. Now if you want to keep your lace long like this, you can. I personally don't like my lace too long, so I'm going to cut it. I like to cut it in an angle, and I like to make it a little bit short. I don't like it to be super long. I don't see no use to that. You can also make a little bow if you want out of the extra lace. However you want to do it is fine. But I just love the way this turned out. As you can see here, look how simple this looks. It's so simple to create, but look how pretty and delicate this looks. Now, if you gift it to someone, they're going to say, oh my God, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. I love it. And you're going to say, well, you know what? You're going to love it even more because I actually made this beautiful tag for you, handmade by me. And they're going to love it even more. So that is how you create this lovely, very, very simple, easy, affordable Mother's Day gift. I hope you guys love it. The back looks beautiful. That's how the back looks, in case you want to know. It's absolutely beautiful, very neat looking. It just looks beautiful. It looks great. It looks like it's something that you literally went to the store and you purchased. And whoever you're going to gift this to is going to absolutely love it. Guarantee you, 100%. Okay, honeys? All right, my loves. I hope you enjoy watching me make this. I hope you guys like this video. I'm thinking of doing another one of these quick Mother's Day gift ideas. Make sure you thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Do you want to see more of these? I will do some more for you. I have a few more ideas that I might want to do for you. Make sure you thumbs up. Let me know, and I will see you guys on my next video. Love you all, and have a fantastic weekend, and be safe out there.